This is your warning to not be friends with tall people, because I used to be friends with someone that was like 6'7", and if you have a friend that's really tall, then you know that they will make fun of your height even if you're not short. Like when I would hang out with him, even though I myself am also above average height, when I was standing next to him, everyone would joke that I was 4'11". Do you know how short 4'11" is? Danny DeVito is 4'11". Also, he would always call me a little munchkin, and I don't know about you, but I am way too insecure to be called that. But the worst part was that sometimes he would use my head as an armrest, and at this point I was like, all right, I can't take this disrespect anymore. I need to do something. And then I had an idea. I'm gonna chop his legs off. I'm just kidding. I didn't do that. But I did seriously think about it. I just don't stand within 10 feet of him anymore. That way, I don't look like an Oompa Loompa. I just can't keep being compared to Danny DeVito. No offense, Mr. DeVito. You seem like a really nice guy.